Hang on.
You ready?
Hang on.
Man, we got a tool under your cars. You ready?
Go ahead. Holy shit.